Action. Hi, my name is Giselle, aka Ugly Worldwide, and I am an artist and a fashion model. Today, I'm gonna be meeting via Zoom with Lily, and we're gonna put on a little beat, get into the glam.
Hi, I'm Lily, and I'm in my room in New York City. You might recognize me from the video that ID Magazine did for 16-year-olds growing up in New York City. I got to meet a lot of people in the video, and we're really close friends now. I first discovered Ugly Worldwide when I was in middle school. Giselle is 100% an inspiration to me. She's the reason I dress how I dress, act how I act.
Like, when I first started doing makeup, it was kind of like almost putting on a mask, like a form of like escapism, which ended up helping me find myself in a weird backwards way. I never really had anybody to like teach me how to do makeup. I'd like to be that person for somebody.
As long as you realize the possibilities are endless, then you can play with that.
Oh, what's up, girl? How you doing?
I'm holding up. How about you?
Chilling, ready to get into the gang, the fantasy. Right. Should we get into the beat?
I'd love that.
I wish I was motherfucking 16 again. What a time to be alive, girl.
I've been looking at your makeup looks since I was in middle school, and it's such inspiration, just like seeing you like work your face and express yourself.
Thank you, girl. I feel like it stems from like, especially just like when I started doing makeup and everything, like I just like, I was and am always going through like identity crises, like existential crises, like just trying to like figure it out, It can like really help you find yourself, Like, bitch, like I done had a million different faces in my life and I love all of them.
I used to be a big like tomboy, and I think a part of it was because I was a bit insecure with myself and my femininity. But in middle school, when I got my first phone and I found the internet, I started seeing a lot of people expressing themselves through makeup, and it helped me get really comfortable with myself.
Having the internet and social media really gives like people a space to find community and like minds and stuff, and I think that that's really amazing and can just make shit like a lot easier to do, and like find yourself and find your people. When I first moved to Chicago, and I found like these like 4 kids just walking down the street and like fucking 2-foot like high platforms and like little buns and like boys in mini skirts. I was like, finally, like so like I don't know, just having that community and all of that really gave me the confidence to like be able to like go out there and like be as extra as possible and just like not care about what anybody thinks. So I'm gonna put on like some, I don't know if you already put on concealer or not, or just like some type of cream or something like on your eyes, so the blue, this like light blue fantasy will like just have something to stick to, whichever blue suits you. You like that? The white's gonna go all in like this little center of her face, but yeah, I'm just kind of making like a circle-y type ovally egg shape on the outside and then going underneath. Just kind of follow that up vaguely just to give you like a
lip.
Yeah, a kitty cat meow,
I just switched schools like this year, therapeutic school. So it helps me with my ADHD, my depression, all of that. And it's a great community. It's like 70 kids in the whole school, which is a bit interesting, There's not a lot of weird bitches, but it's been
really right to be the only one, girl. Sometimes it's funner that way. How's your eyeshadow coming along?
I think it's looking good. I added a little bit of white to lighten it up on the inner lids, but
work. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Love it. However feels most natural. Just gonna start from the middle of your eyeballs and then just like go down and just keep like building on it. It's
good being able to have the time to indulge myself creatively, see what I'm capable of.
I feel like because in a lot of creative industries, you have to learn how to be your own boss before anything. So usually it's like nobody's gonna like be like, hey, you have to do this and this is what you have to do. Like nobody gives you a path. You just have to motivate yourself and like give yourself jobs to do. And like I feel like right now is such like a good time to kind of start to practice that,
Definitely.
Just kind of like try to be on top of your shit while also taking your time to like recharge, because life can be a lot. And like so I'm just using this like trash ass red lipstick that I ripped the top off of on accident doing too much.
I've always wondered where you get the inspiration for your looks and how do you like turn it into makeup that you can wear?
Like, you don't have to have like some deep, like obscure inspiration that nobody's ever heard of before. Like, you know, you could be inspired by like the most basic shit and just like flip it on its head. Okay, and now the last and final step. Mascara. Just fucking clump it on there just as much as possible.
I haven't done my makeup in so long because I'm just chilling in the house. Like, I feel fancy.
Yes, so cute. Yes, ma'am. Oh, yes, so cute. Like Regina George's mom in Mean Girl.
Today I've learned how to bring together different inspirations to make a bomb-ass look and to create a cool kind of identity from a lot of different inspirations. And I learned how to snatch my face up from our iconic queen, Ugly Worldwide.
Yay! Oh, my daughter. Oh, I love you so much. Fucking adorable.